What's going on today, YouTube? Back with another one, BWI to ATXF, the channel. And today we're going to be replacing these trunk struts, hood struts. They work, but they really don't. They need to be replaced. They have already been replaced. These are KYB. Get that in focus. I'm sure they work fine for the time being, but not anymore. So that's too much weight. It should be supporting the weight of the trunk a little bit more and should be going up. So what this does is it just slams, and that's not what you want. So we're opting for Stabilis, which a lot of other people say Strut Masters or not Strut Masters, but it's another one that a lot of people talk good about, but I see better feedback on this one. This is used in some OEM parts, so we're gonna go ahead and swap these on today and see the difference. Pry them clips down, open, to get it on the ball socket, on the trunk. And the smaller part should go at the bottom. And watch, that clips right now. And that one already clipped right now. So let's see what it looks like just from one being replaced. Already doing the job. All right, so let's go ahead and replace this remaining one. See the real difference. All right, you already saw the motion, but let's replace this, the last one. All right, we got both of these installed now. It should be a very drastic difference. Some resistance, yeah, it's not even going down. That's perfect. That's perfect. They strong as hell too. It's been a quick one, y'all. Another episode of BWI to ATXF, the channel. Go ahead and lock in for more F content and LS430 content. Speak with y'all soon.